Maybe they know something. Exchange or some other bots, we don't know. Who is reading these terms and conditions? Is below 1 million USD. Hey, hey, hey! My name is Dyma Budorin and we're gonna penetrate Bilaxy today. So let's start from public information. We have identified that Bilaxy Exchange announced that 4 Chinese funds have invested in them: LD Capital, BTC12, the Region Capital and ZMT Capital. But in none of these funds we have found confirmation about it. What does it mean? That these funds don't want to be associated with this exchange? Why? Maybe they know something. Who knows? Equally important, we didn't find any information about their team. Maybe they don't use LinkedIn, or maybe they are fans of New Pope where Jude Law didn't want to show their face. We don't know. But absence of the team information is an indicator that a crypto exchange is a little bit shady. So let's have a look at liquidity. We open CoinGecko, Bilaxy. Let's have a look at EOS token, what we're gonna see there. Let's open 4 hours time frame. Oh, what do we see here? Is it fans? Is it normal? No, my friends, it's not normal and it's not a fans. It's most probably wash trade. The real trading activity looks similar like this. The same EOS, the same time frame, much healthier. Let's change the time frame and we see that the level of fans changes. What does it mean? It means that probably there is no real traders doing their job at this exchange. Only bots. Exchange or some other bots, we don't know. But I doubt that there is some liquidity there. Let's make another deep dive and analyze the order book of EOS at Bilaxy. Let's find the confirmation that Bilaxy has 11,000 EOS to offer to their clients. Let's open the block explorer of EOS and find Bilaxy wallets, and we see only around 3,000 coins. Where is the rest? We couldn't locate other Bilaxy EOS wallets to confirm that the sale wall is legit. So if you did find, put the link to the comments and we will pay a bounty 100 USD in high token. So what does it mean if exchange are selling more tokens than they actually has? It probably is an indicator that they are faking the order book in order to be better ranked in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko liquidity ranks. Let me share some secret. Auditors are having an orgasm when they see intentional and unintentional mistake. Bilaxy, I love you. Let's have a look at BRD token. So according to Etherscan, the balance at Bilaxy exchange is around 4.5 thousand. But in order book we see 90,000 BRD tokens for sale, 20 times. I know that some exchanges are using their trader deposits to transfer them to other more liquid exchanges and do the trades and make some money. We don't know if this is the case, but what do you think? Leave the comment. Legal. The most boring thing in the world. Who is reading these terms and conditions? In any case, so in Bilaxy terms and conditions, we found a point number 6, which states that they can terminate your account in 1 day without any notification, and your funds will bye-bye. Let's analyze how many traders are using Bilaxy. So let's open similar web. Over the past months, pretty decent amount of people traded at Bilaxy. Looks pretty impressive. Let's see, and the average time visit is 3.5 hours. Come on, we know that the average time is around 8 to 12 minutes. This is clear indicator that they were using some special techniques to fake the number of their visitors. Another important point is to analyze what tokens are traded at this exchange. And we see that in July 2020, this exchange supports some projects that are already dead. For example, Sparkster token. We have found no evidence that this project is alive. Telegram is dead, Twitter is dead, and we even found investors who lost a lot of money in this project. If the exchange offers their users to trade a shitcoin, that means that probably they are associated with this scam. Now let's see if Bilaxy is certified by CER.LIVE. No. There is no evidence that Bilaxy exchange ever passed the penetration test. They don't have bug bounty, and the sum of BTC and ATH at their public wallets is below 1 million USD. What does it mean? Either the traders' deposits are very low, or they transferred the money to other exchanges to trade, or the exchange is almost insolvent. The good thing about being insolvent in Bilaxy case, they don't need to fake the death certificate because they don't have public CER. Well, dear friends, we penetrated Bilaxy exchange and reached following conclusions. Fake volumes, no information about the team, no information about investors, discrepancies between order book and balances at crypto wallets. CER doesn't recommend to trade at Bilaxy exchange and to keep your funds there. If you find the video useful, like, subscribe and leave the comment who shall we penetrate next. CER does not recommend. Let's penetrate Bilaxy. Let's penetrate Bilaxy. Hey, hey, hey! Legal. Boring. Push me and then just touch me till I can get my penetration.